Hi, this is Partha from Mockat. Today we are sharing the news for 8th January, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT-PI, which will help you to get into IIMs and top B schools. The actual complete news articles from which we have taken these key points are in our mockat.com news section, and links are posted in the description and pinned in the comments. Please check out if you want to read the complete articles. So the headlines of today's news are: how a strategically deployed INS Chennai quarter hijack. ONGC starts oil production from delayed $5 billion deep water project. In PM Kishan scheme, center may raise amount to 8,000 rupees per farmer. After Chandrayaan 3, India set to leave its footprint again on the moon. Tamil Nadu has signed investment pacts worth more than $4.39 billion. So the first article is about how Indian Marine Commandos intercept and rescue crew. INS Chennai Strategic Development facilitated the interception and rescue operation of hijacked vessel MV Laila Norfolk. Indian naval planners directed the development of warships off the African seaboard south of Red Sea in the Arabian Sea since October 2023. Naval actions, including intercepting Somali pirates and responding to the threats in the Arabian Sea, are part of India's commitment to ensuring safe sea lanes. Frontline guided missile destroyers and frigates, including INS Kochi, INS Kolkata, INS Murmago, INS Chennai, INS Talwar, INS Tarkas, INS Vishakhapatnam, and tanker INS Deepak, are strategically positioned. In response to Israel-Hamas conflict escalation, the Indian Navy plans to move additional ships to western seaboard to safeguard commercial shipping from potential threats. The next article is about ONGC starts its oil production. ONGC has initiated oil production from Cluster 2 project in Krishna Godavari Basin after delays due to COVID pandemic. The Cluster 2 field is part of ONGC's KGDWN 98/2 block, strategically located off the coast of Andhra Pradesh in Bay of Bengal. The FPSO vessel Armada Sterling 5 is being used for oil production with expected output of 45,000 barrels per day and over 10 million standard cubic meters per day of gas. The Cluster 2 project was initially set to start production in November 2021 but faced delays with various deadlines extended until December 2023. The field divided into Cluster 2A and 2B was projected to produce 23.52 million metric tons of oil and 50.70 billion cubic meters of gas over its life, but current estimates indicate lower output. The next article is about the amount raised in PM Kishan scheme. Ahead of 2024 general elections, the centre is considering increasing the annual allocation under the PM Kishan scheme from Rs 6,000 to 8,000 per farmer. The PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, providing additional food grains, is also under review with the decision expected soon. The 16th installment of PM Kishan scheme is likely to be released between February and March 2024 with the additional support measures for the poor, farmers, youth and women in the interim budget. Government departments are working on schemes to enhance financial aid for Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. The Finance Minister emphasized that February 1 budget will mainly serve as vote on account following Article 116 of Indian Constitution, deferring major policy decisions until a new government takes charge. The next article is about world's second private lunar mission. Astrophobic's peregrine lander, the world's second private moon mission, is set to lift off on Monday from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, carrying over 80,000 messages from kids worldwide and a piece of Mount Everest. The mission director, Sharad Bhaskaran, with Indian connections, will oversee the lunar touchdown on February 23 at the Bay of Stickiness. The mission has unique payloads, including the Kokari Sweet Lunar Beam Time Capsule with children's messages, a piece of Mount Everest in the DHL Moonbox, and contributions from Seychelles and the Mexican space agencies. Bhaskaran, leading astrophobic engineering team, aims to develop a commercial robotic lunar lander capable of delivering payloads to the moon. This marks the first US lunar lander since Apollo 17 over 50 years ago, the first launch under NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Service Initiative, and ULA's Vulcan Centaur rocket inaugural flight. Tamil Nadu's investment deal with Tata Electronics, Pentagon, and Hyundai. Tamil Nadu signs investment agreements worth over $4.39 billion with the firms like Tata Electronics, Pentagon, and Hyundai Motors, enhancing Apple's production diversification strategy away from China. Tata Electronics commits 12,080 crore for mobile phone assembly, while Pentagon, Apple supplier, invests 1,000 crore to expand production in Tamil Nadu. Tata Power explores investment up to 70,000 crore in the state for various projects contributing to economic growth and job creation. The agreements announced at the Global Investors Meet are expected to generate thousands of jobs in Tamil Nadu. The state's investment summit precedes a similar event in Gujarat, aligning with India's focus on attracting domestic and foreign investment for economic development. On our YouTube channel, we will be uploading more videos about colleges to which you can apply with various percentiles, WAT and PA preparation videos, B school shortlisting criteria, news, and much more. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Thank you and good luck.